Hello, this is Evan Rogers coming at you with Evan's Easy Japanese, and I'm here to tell you more about the website. Before we jump into lesson 13, that is. I'm having plenty of history articles put online. I got one specifically about pirates, the Japanese wako, which is totally cool because a lot of people don't realize that Japan has a long history of piracy. I also got folk tales coming up. There are about 6 up there now, but, you know, time coming, there's going to be more and more and more. And also putting up translations of NHK articles. There's a website that has easy to read NHK articles in Japanese, and I'm translating those for a website. If you know reddit.com/r/learnjapanese, a few people asked me to, or not specifically me, a few people asked to have these articles translated to Japanese or to English, and I'm gonna work on those every once in a while. All right, and here we got the vocabulary coming up. We have the following words: dake. This is only. It works as a particle. Mo, also particle. It means all and or also. And here we have itsu, which is a noun, but it's kind of a question noun. I didn't really know exactly where to put it. It operates like a noun. Itsu means when. Sento, also, I'm speaking very American. Sento, that means battle, which is like you're getting into a battle. And here we have atama, which is head. Atama, atama, head. And here we have the adjectives of the lesson. We have iroiro na, which is various, a variety. Shizuka na, quiet, something is quiet. Shizuka na hito. Watashi wa shizuka janai desu. Jozu, skilled at, jozu na. Katana ni jozu na hito. I'm good at the sword. Heta na, unskilled at. And here we have our lonesome e-adjective kowai. Something is scary. And here we got some more vocabulary. We got kan, which is actually sort of a counter. It tacks on to other time counters, and it means length of time. So ichijikan, ichiji is 1 hour/1 o'clock. Ichijikan means it takes an hour, or we're talking about the length of time as an hour. Issho ni. Issho ni. This is the word issho is actually a noun. However, because I'm intentionally putting this ni on there, it's an adjective, and an adverb. But we're going to learn about that soon. It means together. Shinimasu. These are your verbs. Shinimasu, die. Here we have misushimasu, to miss, as in you attack something and you miss. Atarimasu. That's when you attack and connect with the target. You know, you shoot a bow and it hits the dude in the face. You atarimasu at him. Kakarimasu is to take. And this doesn't mean take something, this is take time. It's going to take a certain amount of time. Narimasu, become, to become something. And tsukimasu, arrive. You arrive at a location. Boom! Adverbs! Alright, we got adverbs. If you're dealing with a noun, for example, a book, hon, and you want to say something very bookedly was done, it makes more sense once you see some examples. But if you want to use this as an adverb to modify a verb, the noun plus ni. Same thing with a na adjective. For example, we just saw issho ni, which is a noun. Actually, what am I talking about? It's a noun. Issho ni arukimasu, walk together. Na adjectives, sorry, let's actually talk about na adjectives this time. I don't know, something becomes pretty. Kirei na, but we don't want to do the na. We want to change that na into a ni. Kirei ni narimasu, became pretty. Or kirei ni arukimashita, walked prettily. I don't know, something like that. Change the na to a ni. Noun, just add ni. You're going to find that na adjectives and nouns behave very similarly throughout your Japanese. They have differences though, we're not going to get into them now. If you want to say something, e-adjectively did something, for example, you ate quickly, the word for quick/fast is hayai, and then the word for eat is tabemasu. Hayai tabemasu? No! Well, no. I'm a Packers fan, and one of my favorite players started doing that. Anyway, e-adjectives. We changed the e at the end to a ku. What that means is that to eat quickly, it's hayaku tabemasu. Hayaku tabemasu. Hayaku hayai, hayaku tabemasu. Hayaku tabemasu. Boom! I want to throw the verb narimasu in as a grammar point because it's a little bit of a strange verb. It works just like other verbs, but it seems a little bit strange. So, narimasu. When you want to say something becomes that thing, it operates just like we showed in the adverb section. You adverbify the thing that it becomes, then add narimasu. So, for example, if something becomes a book, I don't know, you cast a spell on something and poof, you become a book. Hon ni narimasu. Remember the the adverb form of a noun is with the ni. Hon ni narimashita. Something becomes pretty. That's actually the example we just gave in the last one, in the adverb section. Kirei ni narimashita. Once again, it follows the adverb rules. Adverb rules also apply with e adjectives. It became scary. Kawaku narimashita. Narimasu, when something becomes something, we use the adverb form in almost every case. I'm sure there's one case that some guy's gonna yell at me, "No, don't do that!" Alright, narimasu. Length of time. Hopefully this video isn't a long length of time. That failed horribly. Alright. Length of time. As you can see, I wrote length like that, and it took a long length of time, so I stopped and just wrote of time. The way that we show a length of time in Japanese is with this strange sort of tack-on particle, kan. What we do is we say the amount of time plus kan. In our lesson so far, we've only encountered hours. So my example is ni. Ni by itself means 2. Niji means 2 hours. Kan means 2 hours length of time. So, if something takes 2 hours, for example, going to Detroit from Columbus takes about 3 to 4 hours, you would say, 3 jikan kakarimasu. It takes about 2 to 3 hours. Well, takes 3 hours is what I wrote. 3 jikan karimashita. Alright, length of time. Boom! This will work for months, days, and even hours, and seconds, and minutes. Yay! And now we're learning about the particle mo a little bit more. Mo. 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 That's a joke to The Simpsons. Anybody get that? Maybe I'm too old. Alright, mo. With nouns. We throw mo after a noun and it means every of those nouns. Also, it can mean me too, or that thing as well. Sorry, let me add the word to as well. And that's how horrible my handwriting is when I'm writing quickly. So for example, you might hear somebody say, watashi mo, which means me too. Watashi, me too. Sorry, mo, too. Watashi mo, and things like that. You're going to see examples in the example section. Question mo. It means every whatever we're talking about. Doko means where. Doko mo means everywhere. Itsu means when. And itsu mo means every when. Obviously that doesn't make sense. It translates to always, all the time. Dare. Dare means who, and dare mo means all of the who's. Everybody. And that's how the mo particle is used with questions. Counters. When you're dealing with a counter in Japanese and you add a mo at the end of it, it means kind of all of the this many things. Like if you say nijikan mo, it even takes 2 hours. It takes the entirety of 2 hours. That's that mo particle. It means sort of all of the, every sort of meaning is included. If you say 3 nin mo koroshimashita, I killed all of 3 people. I killed all of 3 people. Mo particle. Use it. And here we have the particle dake, which means only. When using the dake particle, it generally replaces whatever particle should normally be there, except for particles such as de and to, and a few others that we haven't introduced yet, / we haven't expanded on yet. So, for example, you want to say, just me, watashi dake. This is kind of almost the opposite of mo. So, hopefully you'll end up seeing, you're going to see the dake used a lot inside of any sort of natural speech or things that you're reading. Alright, This is Evan's Easy Japanese, Lesson 13, Grammar and Vocabulary. Hopefully this is helpful. Sorry it took me a long time to get this one up. Have a great day!